Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this look right here. It's going to be a quick video. I do my complexion the same way I always do my complexion, but I used the Glam Goth Beauty 7 Deadly Sins palette, and I used two shades out of here, Wrath and Sloth. So I just used Wrath in my crease and upper crease area and then like blended it out, and then on my lid is the shade Sloth. Anyway, these, the two shades that I used blended out great. Like I had said before, in the pan they look kind of shimmery, but when you blend them out, they do take on a matte appearance. At least the Wrath shade does. Sloth is obviously a shimmer. But I really like how this look turned out. Turned out. And if you're curious what is on my lips, I am wearing the Rimmel London lip liner in the shade Cafe au Lait, and then on my lips I believe this is Clay Crush from Maybelline with a little bit of Purely Nude in the center. Yeah, so if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next one.